turned it on fun.
That's very exciting.
Very excited. Sage, are you very excited?
That's a great perspective now.
My beautiful wife. Look at him go. Fly like an eagle. Hold on. I'm very excited. You know who else is very excited? Sage. Sage is very excited.
Just tell by his face.
We're asking Sage if he's very excited.
Yeah.
He's very excited.
Why are you filming?
He's very excited.
Well, you're never here.
Well, I'm here today.
Because you don't want to be here.
I don't. Why are you here then?
What's the real reason? Yeah, tell me this real reason why you're not.
The real reason?
Run out of manga to fat.
I'm here because my mom told me go to practice. I was like, but it's optional. I can stay home.
See, folks, he has no drive at all.
No. Why is he on the team?
He'd rather make crappy videos for you guys.
Actually, I think the vlogs are getting pretty good.
Thomas only on this gymnastics videos for his YouTube channel.
After getting completely destroyed by these guys, I needed to go get a new look, so I got a haircut at this barbershop. It may not look that nice from the outside, but on the inside, it's a really great place. The guy who works there is extremely nice. He cut my hair very, very fast, and I highly recommend going to go check it out. Anyways, the next day, I went over to Wisgaming's house for Thanksgiving, and this was his response to my new haircut.
All right, bye, Mom. What? Is it approved?
Yeah.
The day after going to Wisgaming's house for Thanksgiving, we went up to Frosty's Christmas tree farm. And here's some footage from that.
For you, breathing for you, breathing for you, breathing for you.
You want Maxie?
He's gonna leap out the front of the car.
Maxie, don't die. What kind of tree do you want? Hi. What kind of tree?
This type of tree.
Okay, let's go look at him. Hold on. Can you throw this way?
Xavier's, he's just asleep, dude. He doesn't want to be here right now.
Right, Maxie? Yeah?
Ooh, I like this
It's
one.
Uncle right here.
Feel this one?
You see him?
Yeah.
He's wearing sandals.
See, this one doesn't hurt.
He has a saw.
But like, I like that one.
We're on his friend's farm. Tree farm.
What about this one?
He wants a soft tree.
This tree is nothing.
Yeah, what about this one?
There's a lot of place to put things on.
What are you talking about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, there he goes.
Look. Mommy, look. I already cut it off.
We're still looking for a tree. I feel like something like this one right here, but except fuller and bigger. No. No, it has to have a big bottom.
What do you mean?
Well, we're not cutting it
off at the bottom. You have to leave branches that'll grow
Please do
again.
not cut from the. Please do not cut the branches.
So you're not taking the whole tree. So you look at it from the top. Like look at the.
Oh, then we need to find something really tall.
Mom, this one's fluffy.
What about that one? I'll cut that one from the middle up. We'll all be happy.
No, he's not scrabbled in the top.
Baby skirt. What about that one?
Yana, come on.
There's like these soft ones. And then there's the normal prickles.
Yo, we should see if we can fit the tree in the trunk.
No, there's children in the front.
Just smoking.
Uncle is still. He came up here with sandals.
Look, it has a place for a star.
And he's the one who has the saw. Will we make it back? We will.
It's good.
He's not saying anything. He's good. Alright. Give me a soft
We're
one.
getting it.
Come here. Xavier, you like this? Tree cutting? Timber.
I'm yelling.
And Thomas cut down a tree without killing anyone. Yeah.
I'm yelling timber.
If I could just break away from a second and just talk about how awesome Frosty's Christmas Tree Farm was. It's a super relaxing environment. You don't feel rushed when you go to get your Christmas tree. Coming from a family who doesn't normally get Christmas trees, it was just super fun. They have tons of different trees there, very open. They help you net it and put it on top of your car. It wasn't a very far drive. It was only 30 minutes out of San Jose. There was free hot cocoa and coffee, and everyone there was super nice and super helpful. They netted it and tied it up to our car for us, and all in all, just a fantastic experience. As you can see in the video, they had 6 different types of Christmas trees, and we chose one that was very soft and wouldn't like stab the babies in the face. This is definitely like go-to place if you're gonna do Christmas trees and that sort of thing. Can't recommend it more. Frosty's Christmas Tree Farm. There will be a link in the description under Geo, so if you want to go check out their website and go check them out, go for it. I'd highly recommend them, especially if you live in the San Jose kind of Silicon Valley, Los Gatos area. Again, there's a link in description. I couldn't go on longer about how great this place was. It was relaxing, which I always enjoy. If you can't tell by like the background music I put into my vlogs and other videos, I am very kind of like to be chillaxed, and that's kind of the environment that they set off at this Christmas Tree Farm. Again, couldn't recommend them more. Definitely go check them out. There will be a link to their website in the description.
You know what? It reminds you of a Snoopy tree.
That's what he said. But look, it doesn't hurt them at all.
Yeah.
Look, I can touch it. He's not poking them at all.
And this is our tree man.
Alright, candy canes and cookies.
Before you came around, I was ready to